Hi, my name is Ron Riley and I'm a project manager at America's Home Place in Conroe, Texas. And let me just tell you a few reasons why I like working at America's Home Place. I love working at a company that cares. We care about each other and we care about the product that we put out. This company cares about the people they work with and the people that they work for, our homeowners. We want to provide them with a high quality craftsmanship home that's tailored to each family's individual needs, a home that will represent them, their colors, their countertops, the vision that they want to see when they pull back the curtains. It's your colors of paint, it's your countertops, it's what you want to see out of your bedroom window. If you have that beautiful tree on your property that's been in your family for generations, or a piece of property that you've just picked up, we want to put that house exactly where you want it, and we will. I hope that you will make the decision today and stop by. If you're in Conroe, come and see me, Ron Riley, at America's Home Place. We want to start building your home today.